Can the human mind break the barrier between the physical and digital world? This question has been the driving force behind Elon Musk's brain implant company, Neuralink. Founded in 2016, Neuralink's mission is to create a seamless interface between the brain and machines. This ambitious venture aims to revolutionize the way humans interact with technology, breaking down the barriers of physical input devices and opening up a world of possibilities for communication, control, and even cognition. The journey of Neuralink is a testament to the relentless pursuit of innovation. After raising over $323 million in funding, the company received approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in 2023 to begin human trials. These trials aim to implant a device that monitors brain activity, a significant milestone in the development of brain-computer interfaces. The device, roughly the size of a coin, is implanted using a robot, a testament to the precision and sophistication of modern medical technology. The trials, set to last 6 years, will involve regular follow-up visits and research sessions. Despite facing criticism over animal testing procedures and allegations of securities fraud, Neuralink has remained steadfast in its vision. Elon Musk, a figure synonymous with pushing boundaries, has expressed his belief in the potential of such technology to safeguard humanity from potential threats posed by artificial intelligence. Fast forward to today, Neuralink has successfully implanted its first brain chip in a human patient, marking a significant breakthrough in the field. This implant, known as the Link, aims to enable people with severe paralysis to control devices with their thoughts. The first product, aptly named Telepathy, is a major leap towards creating a seamless interface between the brain and digital devices. However, it's important to acknowledge that Neuralink is not alone in this field. Companies like Synchron have also made significant strides, implanting devices using less invasive methods. The landscape of brain-computer interfaces is rapidly evolving, with multiple players contributing to this technological revolution. The journey of Neuralink, from its inception to its recent achievement, paints a picture of resilience, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of the seemingly impossible. The future of brain-computer interfaces is here, and it's reshaping the boundaries of human potential. In summary, the video discussed the inception of Neuralink, the challenges it faced, its key milestones, and its recent achievement of successfully implanting a brain chip in a human patient. The discussion also touched on the broader landscape of brain-computer interfaces and the significant strides being made in this field. The journey of Neuralink is a testament to the potential of human innovation and a glimpse into the future of technology.